He's beating me!
You better hurry.
That's not fair, he's beating me.
Look at me, Adam. Show
Adam!
me your Easter
Look,
eggs.
here's an egg over here.
Show me your Easter eggs. Show it to me. Pick it up and show it to me. Let me
Can
see.
Aunt Emily see it? Hold it up.
Okay, come on. Let's go get some over here. Go get all those eggs. Put them in there. Oh, there's one.
He doesn't understand.
Look at them. There's some by the... Look, there's some at the van. You see those? Look at those. There's some in the van.
Going hunting by the road. Oh, there's one on Aunt Emily's van. That's funny. He's still got a big piece of ham in his mouth.
Okay, pick them up before Mitchell picks them all up, okay?
Mitchell will not, he's gonna rush, okay? Mitchell! Take it easy.
Okay, Adam, pick up some of these eggs.
Mitchell's taking all the eggs.
2-2. It's enough.
Hey, Mitchell, that's good. Okay.
Mitchell, that's good.
Adam, are you finding the water bed?
Yeah.
He's got a big hunk of ham in his mouth.
Okay.